We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. Can a credit repair company remove a charge-off? If you have a charge-off on your credit report, you may be wondering if a credit repair company can help you remove it. The answer is yes, in some cases. Charge-offs are one of the most damaging items that can appear on your credit report. They are typically the result of a debt that has gone unpaid for an extended period of time. When a creditor charges off a debt, it is essentially written off as a loss for the creditor. This can have a significant negative impact on your credit score and make it difficult to obtain new credit. Fortunately, a credit repair company can help you remove a charge-off from your credit report. They can work with the creditor to negotiate a settlement or have the charge-off removed entirely. This can help improve your credit score and make it easier to obtain new credit. However, it is important to note that not all credit repair companies are created equal. It is important to do your research and find a reputable company that has a proven track record of success. Additionally, you should be aware that the process can take some time and there is no guarantee that the charge-off will be removed. In conclusion, a credit repair company can help you remove a charge-off from your credit report. However, it is important to do your research and find a reputable company that has a proven track record of success. Additionally, you should be aware that the process can take some time and there is no guarantee that the charge-off will be removed. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. John C. Maxwell. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.